This drinking bird is available in some novelty stores. The vapor pressure differential between the head and the base causes the liquid to rise in the neck. When the liquid enters the head, it causes the bird to tip over into the water for another drink. The bird's head is covered with a material that absorbs water. The base is closed at the top, and so the only way that liquid and vapor can escape is through the tube which extends almost to the bottom of the base. Heating the head of the bird forces the liquid into the base. This does not help the bird move. Heating the liquid in the base causes an increase of the vapor pressure in the base. This causes a change in the differential of the vapor pressure between the head and the base, which causes the liquid to rise in the tube, ultimately causing the bird to tip over and drink. Evaporating water cools the liquid in the base. This lowers the vapor pressure and pulls the liquid back into the base. Evaporating water cools the head of the bird. This decreases the vapor pressure in the head. The vapor pressure difference between the head and the base pulls the liquid into the head, ultimately causing the bird to tip over and drink.